What's up, Zach? Happy birthday, brother. I'm here with your dad. Ingat ka palagi, bro, and I hope to meet you one of these days. Study hard, follow your dad. Ingat. Hello, Zach. Si Kuya John Lucas mo ito, si Calvin ng Black Rider. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday and I'm wishing you all the best in life. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti, magpakabait ka sa mga magulang mo para ano man ang pangarapin mo paglaki, makakamit mo lahat yun. Ingat ka parate. See you soon.
Hello, Zachy. How are you, Zach? Gusto ko itong batiin ng happy birthday. Siyempre, maging mabuting bata para matupad yung mga pangarap sa buhay. At hindi lahat ng sinasabi ng dad mo, totoo yun, ha? Joke lang. See you soon. God bless and hopefully nakapanood ka lagi ng Black Light. See you soon. Happy birthday.